There is only a 5% chance that the Earth will avoid warming by at least 2°C come the end of the century, according to new research that paints a sobering picture of the international effort to stem dangerous climate change. Bill Nye, you can shoot the messenger, but climate is still changing. Read more. Global trends in the economy, emissions and population growth make it extremely unlikely that the planet will remain below the 2°C threshold set out in the Paris Climate Agreement in 2015. The study states, the Paris Accord, signed by 195 countries, commits to holding the average global temperature to, well below 2°C, above pre-industrial levels, and sets a more aspirational goal to limit warming to 1.5°C. This latter target is barely plausible, the new research finds, with just a 1% chance that temperatures will rise by less than 1.5°C. We are closer to the margin than we think, said Adrian Raftery, a University of Washington academic who led the research, published in Nature Climate Change. If we want to avoid 2°C, we have very little time left. The public should be very concerned. Governments settled on the 2°C threshold partly through political expediency, but also because scientists have warned of severe consequences from sea level rise, drought, heat waves, and social unrest should the temperature rise beyond this. Such risks have been underscored by a separate study, also released on Monday, that shows unabated climate change will cause around 60,000 deaths globally in 2030 and 260,000 deaths by 2100. The study, by the University of North Carolina, found that rising temperatures will exacerbate air pollutants that will particularly threaten those with existing conditions. According to the University of Washington study, there is a 90% likelihood that temperatures will rise between 2°C and 4.9°C by 2100. This would put the world in the mid-range warming scenarios mapped out by the UN's Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change.